Hey everybody, in this video we want to look at enable and disable functions. Now these are applicable to the Canvas apps when you're running or creating a mobile application and using the mobile app that accompanies both iOS as well as Android. And so let's, if you click on the little question mark, that doohickey thingy here, it will take you over to the enable and disable functions. Couple notable call outs here, okay? It says these functions currently only work with the location signal, although in my opinion that's now debatable. The date of this article was last October 2023. The date of this recording is February, the end of February, almost March 2024. So at least 6 months have passed since this article has been updated by Microsoft. I'll tell you why I question whether or not this is still true here in just a moment. But if we just simply look at what this is, it's talking about draining the battery on your phone, and it's like some signals having to do with the mobile application, such as the accelerometer, the location, things of that nature. Constant calculation, recalculation. It's a tremendous resource drain on your phone as well as the battery. So these features, while they're absolutely great, programmatically you can control them based on when you need to use the function by first enabling it and then doing whatever you need to do and then disabling it. I would also suggest using a timer control so that you can pull every, I don't know, however often you want to pull, and then enabling and disabling that so that it's not continuously draining on it. Now they do imply here that these let's see here, where was that I read it? Here it is. When the signal isn't being used, it's automatically turned off. Now there's no details as to how long does this thing go until it's not being used and then it automatically gets turned off. We don't know that. So I would err on the side of caution when you're writing your development to either write an app to test this, which would be a really great idea. Every so often, simply just see if you can get the status, the current status of, of the current signal, and see what's going on, and maybe log that, and then see if it's 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever it might be. That might be one exercise. And I'm just thinking out loud here. I don't even know if that's possible. So I know you can turn it on and off. I'm just wondering, how do you even query the status? So in any event, just know that this is how it works. Let me show you why I think this is not the case with what they say, with it only being available for location. So typically, when something isn't working in PowerFX or isn't available, it gives you a red squiggly, or indicates some error or the option in the enum list, or the list. This is an enumeration list for this particular function, and if it's just location, then only location would be here. However, as you can see on screen, both for enable and disable, that same enumeration list is available to both. So it seems to indicate that it's not just the location. You might be able to enable and disable this on the accelerometer or acceleration, also the compass, as well as connection. So just feel free to explore with these functions and options. I do believe they are now enabled, and I do believe that they have not updated the article. But again, test it all, make sure that it works or doesn't work as per your expectations, especially before considering rolling anything out into production, to avoid yourself a complete amount of headache that could amount to lots of calls coming in from the help desk or your users saying, hey, my app isn't working as possible. All right, that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.